well, namaste everyone. So, it's Monday and school deadline is waving. So, hindi pa ako nakakapag-edit ng week 4 of January. Week 4 na ba? Week 3? Oh my God! Hindi ko na matandaan. Week 4 na yata. Ay! Anyway, later we'll find out. So, yon. And ilang oras na lang is work time na. So, I have to finish whatever I have to finish. Kasi deadline sa school is 11:59 and I have to go to work in a few hours before. So, I have to finish early. Yeah. Just showing off my pimples. Alright. And actually, dahil gutom ako, nagluto ako, sipag, ng sopas. Here is the sopas that I'm cooking. Woo! Ang bilis ng oras! Break! First break! Hi guys, so hindi ako nag-film much. Kasi hindi pa ako nakapag-edit. Mamaya pa. Oh my God. Kung kailan patapos na yung January. Ang tamad-tamad ko, hindi pa ako nag-upload ng week 3 and ayun nga, nag-film na ako ng week 4. Today is Tuesday and buong araw, I fell asleep lang. Talagang natulog lang ako. Tapos maya-maya na lang mga isa't kalahati, 2 oras, papasok na naman ako. Like, oh my God. I don't know. Napapaisip lang talaga ako. Dapat lang, di ba? Cloudy ngayon. Walang araw. So this is our gulay for fried rice and this one is for our burger patty. Here is our patty guys. Tofu squash. And ang lalaki ng onion, ano ba yan? Okay. Nakakaiyak naman yung price nito. Oh, hello. Today is Wednesday. Malapit na mag-ulit na. Sakit ng sakit ko. Thursday na naman. It's lunchtime. Pero manonood lang ako. And masama pakiramdam ko. I have yours. Friday na, and alam mo kung anong nakakalungkot? Hanggang ngayon hindi pa rin ako nakakapag-edit. O hindi ko pa rin natatapos yung victory vlog ko. Ano ba yan? Kakainis. Super. Kung na lang gagawin, napapatamad ko this week. Di ko na na-post. Wala na. Nagtatambakan na ako. Kain na yun. Where's the next? Asya. Wow, ang dami mo nilagay.